how to connect to a Wi-Fi without using password. So make sure subscribe, because when you subscribe, it creates a link between you and the Wi-Fi, and so you can able to connect. Okay, so make sure subscribe and help support my channel. This video is true and follow the steps. This is for educational purposes only. So the first thing you wanna do, first step is go to settings. You have to settings, with the settings here. Click settings, and then go network and internet. Click on Wi-Fi. You can see I'm not connected, and then here just click on Wi-Fi you want to connect, and then click advanced options, and if you're clicking in the proxy, click manual, and then click on proxy name, host name. You have to click on proxy.com right here, proxy.com. okay, proxy.com, and then proxy port, click 8080, and bypass proxy 4, just click proxy.com to proxy.com. Remember to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, this method won't work. Proxy.com. IP settings, click static, and then IP address, click 192. Click 192.192 192.236 192.2365, and gateway, click 192.168. network prefix length, just click 26. DNS1, just click 9.9.9. okay, click 7.7.7. DNS2, click, this is why you click 9.9.9. sorry for the first mistake. 9.9.9, and then you just click connect. After that, just click connect, because you can see I'm connected, and that's how to connect any Wi-Fi without password. So I hope you have subscribed, and please like this video to support my channel, because you'll be helping a lot. And make sure to check out my other videos which I have for you. Okay, thanks for watching, man. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hope you tell